That's great, thanks for registering. Below you'll see links to download the brochure, the floor plan and the reservation form for Clifton Moor care home in the historic city of York. It's a 70-bed care home aimed at the over 80s, whose numbers have increased by 24% in York in the last decade alone. And that figure is set to increase by a whopping 62% in the next 8 years. You see what I mean about a demographic trend that we can profit from. Clifton Moor will have 70 suites, and its 1-acre site is already cleared for construction. All the suites will exceed the government regulation size of 12.5 metres per room. They'll be ensuite and fully equipped. Savills have completed an independent feasibility study and valuation of the project, so you can feel comfortable that you're paying a reasonable price for your suite and that industry experts regard this care home as a viable proposition. KPMG have been retained to provide tax advice to investors, while the home will be operated by a company whose senior management have more than 25 years' experience in the sector. Finally, to help your peace of mind, there's a professional indemnity insurance policy in place, which guarantees the return of your capital if a nightmare scenario happens and the developer or the freeholder goes out of business. So in summary, you invest £29,750 as a deposit on a £90,000 suite. The balance is taken as an interest-free loan from the developer. For the first 3 years, you receive £2,975 a year, which goes to paying off your interest-free loan. Then, from years 4 to 10, you receive £9,000 a year in rental income. Around £7,350 a year goes to paying off your remaining interest-free loan, leaving you with a positive cash flow of around £1,650 from years 4 to 10. Now let's say you sell in year 10 for 125% of what you paid. That's £112,500. You paid less than £30,000 for the suite, so that's £82,750 profit plus the positive rental cash flow of £11,600 gives a total return of £94,356, or 317%. Yes, that averages 31.7% annual return on investment. Now do you see why these are selling so fast? To check the latest availability, please either call 020 8940 7000 or email Daphne at wealthinvest.co.uk. If you've got 30k earning 1 or 2% in the bank at the moment, you might want to look at this investment as an alternative. If you'd like a chat about it, just contact Daphne and she'll schedule a call for us. I look forward to speaking to you soon.